Jai Hind everyone. So, my name is Sudraksh and today is day 8 of my lecture 8. Topic of my today's lecture 8 is sex education. Yes, you heard it right. Sex education. Sex education is a word where most of the people deny talking about, but it is very necessary to being known. Lots of people avoid it because they feel shameful talking about it, but they do not understand the meaning and the right point towards it. Let me share some information you briefly. During boys and girls reaching towards their puberty, they'll face so many different changes in their body. Now, if they don't know the proper knowledge about it and what is that, they feel insecure, stress, and feel shameful about it. But they don't know it's just hormones and hormonal growth. So, if you don't have the proper knowledge about it, you will feel so many difficulties in life. What I mean to say is that talking about this topic is very necessary now. Lots of people don't feel safe about talking it because they feel this is not necessary to talk with everyone. But it is. During for sex education, if you have the correct knowledge, you will prevent so many things that can be doing wrong with you. You can prevent early pregnancies and prevent yourself from some unwanted disease that you don't want in your life, such as AIDS, HIVs. So, what does sex education exactly mean? To know about yourself, your body, and your relationship partner better. If you understand it, you will be facing a healthy relationship. If you have the right type of sex education, you will understand your partner better and understand your life so much better. If you don't have proper knowledge about it, you will go to XYZ websites such as porn websites where you see different kinds of content which is not approximate right towards you and your hormonal. There are, for an example, in African people, there is a lots of varieties in their hormones. But whereas Indian peoples, their hormones is different. But when you go to some XYZ website, which are porn related or sexually transmitted related, you will see and be insecure about it that they are doing so many things and we can't. But it is a change in hormonal factors that affects your mentality and it affects your stress management also. So by seeing them, you will also force yourself to do the same, and that's how you will trap in this. So, what I mean to say is, learning what is right for you is as necessary as learning what is wrong for you. To understand your hormones, it is very necessary to gain it. For an example, lots of you are able do want a girlfriend, but some of you doesn't know about menstrual cycle. Menstrual cycle is a cycle that a few women face on each and every month, and it is consists of 28 days. During first 7 days, it's called periods. The body continuously flows with blood and discharges their whole blood that is stored in their womb. So, is it wrong or it is bad blood? No, it is just a blood which is stored in their bladder to make a cushioning effect for a baby. That is, that their body releases an egg on every month to fuse with your sperm. There are lots of things to talk about by using protections when you are doing an intermediate scenes is as necessary. So if you doesn't want to spoil your life, your partner's life, and doesn't want to spread anything bad towards the society, the more you know about it, the more you take care about it. Don't feel shame talking about it. The sex education is very necessary. Try to understand your partner better and understand your relationships and your sister and understand so many things. Before doing anything wrong, just know what the consequences be. Don't waste your time in seeing such contents which totally destroys and spoils your life. Try to manifest and learn new things about your body and how your hormones work. Thank you everyone. Jai Hind.